Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing some new things from Lululemon. Alright, so it's no secret here on my channel that I love Lululemon's belt bags, their tote bags, their backpacks. I have quite the collection now at this point. But today I have a handful of new things that just launched over the past week or two that we're gonna go ahead and just take a quick little first look of. All right, so this first tote here is the two-tone canvas tote, and I'm gonna start off by saying this is the larger of the two sizes that it was, I guess, recently either relaunched or just launched. I don't know if this is a style that they've had in the past. I feel like maybe they've had it before and I just kind of have missed it. But this one is currently sold out on the website. So I'm not sure if you can get it in stores. I imagine sometimes online things sell out quickly or more quick than they do in stores, but I'm not 100% on that. So before you guys come for me, this one here is not one that unfortunately I can link for you because it's sold out pretty quickly. But like I just mentioned, they have this size and they also have a mini version that comes with a crossbody strap that I have my eye on, and I think I want to grab that one. Last I checked, that one was still available, so I want to also grab that one because this is a big favorite of mine. I love this tote. I hope that they restock it because I mean, I feel like they will, but I mean, you never know. But it is such a good, structured, everyday gym tote, work tote, like teacher tote, commuter tote, all the things. Like, it is just such a great tote. I want to zoom in and kind of show you this pattern up close. It's hard to tell online and even when I'm backed away from the camera the actual like pattern of this bag, but it is a cream and white checkered, like a very fine checkered throughout the whole thing, and then it is just accented with this cream colored piping and like strap here. As far as the outside of this tote goes, you have the Lululemon metal kind of plate logo there. You do have one pocket here in the front. It doesn't have a magnetic closure or anything on it. It's just a open like slip pocket that goes all the way down here on the front of the bag. You can definitely fit a full-size cell phone in there, like a bigger one vertically, no problem at all. You also have this little clip up here, which is great to attach wallets or hand sanitizer or whatever you need, your keys. You don't have any side pockets on the outside of this tote or any pockets on the back of the bag. On the top of the tote here, you have one kind of button closure, and what's really cool about it is you have this kind of extra fabric that's attached to the button. So instead of the button being over here on the side of the bag, you actually have a little bit more give in it. So if you have this bag really, really full, you can still close it here at the top. I think that's such a cool design feature. Unsnapping the opening here, it opens up nice and wide, and you have a ton of pockets. You have two side pockets here in the inside. You also have a zipper pocket back here in the back, and then you have two slip pockets over here. So lots of ways to organize this bag. I've already packed it up and used it, and I plan to do a full review and packing video on this one, maybe comparing it to the mini size in hopes that it's going to be relaunched in the future. That way you guys can kind of save it and then refer back to it whenever Lululemon does launch this again, fingers crossed. Really quickly kind of throwing it on so that you can see the drop length of the handle. It is so comfortable. The straps are flat here at the top, so it sits really comfortably over your shoulder. It's at a really nice drop length on the side, so you can kind of like hold on to the bag nicely. It doesn't have a crossbody strap or anything like that, but you can very, very comfortably carry this tote with no problems. Moving on to the next bag that I wanted to share with you today. This is the pleated shoulder bag in black. They have a couple of different colors online. They have like a cream color with a black handle, and the only reason I didn't go for that one was because I didn't love the contrast of this here shoulder strap and the cream bag, but other than that, I probably would have grabbed it in that color. They also have a really pretty like lilac option, if I'm not mistaken when I looked, but anyways, this one comes in a couple of different colors. Again, it's like a really comfortable carry. It has a nice drop length on it, and this is unpacked obviously, so when you have it full, it's gonna hang like a little bit heavier, but it's still a really comfortable drop length on it. You have a ton of room over here, and you can get things out of it really, really easily. As far as the outside of the bag goes, you can see you have the pleats here on the back with no zipper pockets or anything, but then you also have the same pleats here accented on the front of the bag with the Lululemon metal plate right there. You don't have any pockets on this side, but over here on this side of the front, you do have one pocket, and it goes pretty far into the bag. Oh, it goes the whole way across the back. So this is a really big front pocket. Opening up the inside of this bag, you do have one zipper that goes the entire way across the top of the bag, so it fully closes. And when you open it up, you have two interior pockets on this side, which you probably can't see because it's black. You have two here, and then you also have a zipper pocket over here on the back of the bag. And I believe that's it. Yep, that's it as far as interior organization. This one here, I would probably pack with pouches, mainly because of the dark like interior of the bag. I want to be able to find what I'm looking for easily. But I mean, you could fit a ton inside this bag. If this is one, oh, actually, sorry, I just got sidetracked. It actually has two zippers, not just the one. The other one was kind of tucked in there and I missed it. So on the opening, the main opening here of the bag, you have the two double zipper pulls, which is really cool. As I was saying, if this is one that you want me to kind of pack up and do a individual like review packing video on, just let me know below in the comments. All right, the last two items that I'm gonna share with you are two different belt bags. This is the Everywhere belt bag, I believe. I'm gonna put the name right here so I don't get it mixed up. And this is the All Day Essentials belt bag, I believe. This one is a 2L size and this one is a 2.5. So they compare as far as like capacity wise on the inside of the belt bag. I've done a full review on the regular Everywhere belt bag here by Lululemon, comparing this 2L size, the 1L, as well as the mini one. I compare all three of them. I pack all of them up. I'll try to remember to put that video like in the description box or up here in the card so you can refer back to it. But I wanted to show you guys this one because it is a new color that's still available on the website. It is Storm Teal, and they have a couple of really pretty new ones, also in the smaller size than this one, but my favorite is this 2L size, so I kind of stay away from that 1L size just because I pack a lot and this one is the perfect size for me. Going through it really quickly, for those of you that may not know all of the pockets of this one, on the back here of the belt bag, you do have one zipper pocket that is the entire back of this bag. So it's a nice big pocket. And then on the front of the bag, you just have the Lululemon logo down here, but you don't have any pockets. Opening the bag up here, you do have two zipper pulls and it opens up really, really wide. You can see everything that you have inside this belt bag, especially if you kind of zip these all the way down to the side and you're wearing it. You can get everything that you need in and out of this bag super easily. Mesh pocket here in the back, and then you also have some mesh pockets here on the front of the bag. So again, I have a full review of this one. I just mainly wanted to show it to you guys because I am loving this like darker teal color. Really quick throwing it on just so you can see it on the body and kind of compare. This is how I typically will wear this one, like nice and high and kind of tight around, but you can obviously move it to the back or to the front or however like you want to wear it. There's flexibility in it, but this is how I typically will wear it. All right, this next one here is the All Day Essential belt bag, and I love this belt bag. I've used it a good bit. I got it, I wanna say a couple of weeks back, I think, I can't remember exactly, but this particular color was on sale when I grabbed it, and it is no longer in stock, but they do have a navy version. The last I checked, of course, things always change on the website, but they have a navy version of this one that is still on sale, and then they have the classic black that's just available right now in their regular stock of items. But just to kind of go through it, this belt bag has a handle at the top, which is so awesome if you're getting it in and out of a bigger bag or in and out of your car or whatever. And it has 2 big openings. So on the back of here, unlike that other belt bag, you don't have any zippers or anything on the back. You just have kind of the grab handle here. And then on the front of the bag, you have a huge front pocket. So this pocket is nice and roomy. You have a lot of room. This is probably like I guess your bigger of your 2 pockets, but you have a ton of room inside this pocket. And then directly behind it, you have another large zipper pocket that opens up so wide. So this is almost like the belt bag or the everywhere belt bag. And then this is just kind of like an extra front pocket, if you will, but you can fit so much inside this and it's really comfortable to wear. I've been enjoying this one a lot. I plan to definitely pack this one up in more detail for you all and kind of compare it to the other belt bags. I think it would be really helpful, just mainly because I'm a big fan of this particular style belt bag. This is what this one looks like on the body. It's a different color than that one, so you can kind of see it a little bit better. But I think size-wise, it's about the same as that other one, but you can fit more in here, and I kind of like the way it packs up better than that other belt bag. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for those of you that are interested in some new things that Lululemon recently launched. If you want to see any of these bags in more detail for like a packing video or something of that nature, please leave it down below in the comments. I will have everything linked, kind of pinned at the top as well as in the description box that I can of these bags. And then I'll try to update it or share on Instagram whenever these items restock, because I tend to kind of look out for them often. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.